Utie oha echi ponkno. Needs FM.
Enoch Amekpleto, Deputy Director of Communications, New Patriotic Party, Volta Regime. Yembusano, Sasemia NDC for Kensen, Wamusum. Enoch, Yadasimu Baba Needs FM. So.
Yo, Miniam Medafu.
Me also say what in your NDC for a kind about, say, one of the CCR. Advocacy, in fact, only Pakwa, Washa Adiasi, Ura James Gunu. Our church for my NDC Amanyoko said, woman man penida eba sign a performance contract na puntunjuma mu hia e region mo say oba be mu a obeye na wode aboa ene ne ka ho sen na tima mo sase me omoke.
Oh, menua first of all no many regional communications director ma Volta region.
Okay, this is the regional communications director. Sorry.
Yes.
Sorry.
Medical chia Needs FM for Nina. Na medi chia paso for Volta regional minister ho MIT4. Na ono obojuma mapa ma omampani ewo Framantem ha. Na menua na anopai tie de madam for gunu e kan de ntronko a na assembliara ni ho. Na odi DC ewa kati not ho no.
Dia na intro ewo asema o kan intro no say.
Project nyama o kan say omuye wa kati not no. The oja wo ho eyeka. For example, the oka say we see district magistrate court. It's an existing structure. MPP see under President Kufuor Abreso at that time na Akachi North no any Akachi South no na one constituency one district under Honorable Negbele Kofi Negbele who was then our DCE. Wrong. Nti choka se MPP enye fi ewo Volta region. You left us with a whole so-called the dual carriage road, 10.5 kilometer road. No source of funding. Contractor man Tianica. 2 weeks to elections. 2 weeks to 2016 elections. And you brought China Railway number 5 to come and degrade our road, a motorable road that we were using, all in the name of elections. 2 weeks after 2016 elections, these contractors packed off the road. It took the efforts of the Volta regional minister to constantly pursue this project at the road ministry and with the contractors to secure some funding for them to resume work. And as I speak now, they are preparing to open one lane to traffic to make life comfortable to the good people of the Volta region. Meaning, say Oka Akachi not wa say yenye fia even under the Ministry of Special Development Initiatives. Ye kohwa Honorable Hawa Kumse ministry na. Ye kohwa kra Akachi not no. Ewo avedakpa. Ewo ave havi ave afiadanyiba. Ye ma omu 10-seater water closet. Any mechanized borehole. You call the same Akachi Nota, community-based water system, mechanized. And also, and that is the town of the member of parliament for Akachi North. Agbondo, and a heavy. Now, so Okasi warehouse, the warehouses are in 3 locations. For now, the first phase, Volta region, air benefit 3 locations. Bakuoho, Iowa, Bishop Wenu Diocese no Echiho ayo baby friend Akwefe Baku esan wo hohoi ena Baku wo Dambai Krachi East Inti se ora gunu se twi enkoso a now in his constituency where we have a young doctor Dr. Prince Odoke Oya DC wo ho over 30 within these 2 years. A branch na bojuma over 30. Mini ukasenu. Yedi electricity ako Agomo. NPP abresu yedi electricity ako Agomo electoral area. Yedi borehole nsio ako Agomo electoral area. Sisi omunu nsio, omuni nenche nu nsio biom. Ya renovate chief's compound. Ya renovate offices. Ediama non-formal for 1 year, NCC, NADMO, Abra, ora gunu abrasu no na sankofo nyina mo ye adwuma wo nnuase now sa abranche yi ene or inherit a district where they do not have town roads, no town roads into usu kwa ba udu ka ba na wa park you main road na etwem ko aplaw abranche aba no ene Akachi North ewo town road omo prepare amount omo bitumen surface uko the same Akachi North abranche asa momu school buildings now construction of market stores ora gunuekano these things have not seen the light of day. There is no district police headquarters in Akachi North as we speak. Ora Prince Sodoke Amuzu there is no nothing like that. The police post in Akachi North now is in a rented structure. Abranche LC school, Ama vocational school, the only vocational school in Akachi North, Ave Afiadeniba, will see classroom blocks and a workshop, Amaomo. Was I see another classroom?
Yeah, buying na senior sika na buy na wonu anu ko to komsika.
You are buying.
Because you are sika na branch is your branch is no.
And say a branch on no in charge. Now ora gunu address no there. Say ye be pie nyama mu. Say omu yusu sika. Masa enye fe baku.
What can be about you said that clue? Yes, construction cost so. I remember say was it 2018 as I was here no say no monya she.
Oh, menua. Youth center EC wo ho nu ben ho. Cost contractor is on site as we speak. Work is above 60%. Work is above 60%. Nti mu betimi ama mu journalist, mu correspondent, and any media friend be of voter and who.
You can 60% there any day no my.
The civil works are almost done. Little variations about additional 5,000 seats are being added to the capacity. Originally, not swimming pool can you see a swimming pool can and other some few details. The good people of the Volta region knows very well that the EBA infrastructure project and I respect for the good people of this region, it has always come from the
So, sir, performance contract
in 2014.
But what can projects ni bi am patcho be you moving common ko enim kakra. Me misa say enti sa performance contract you am ken. Ade amoso mo be hia na mo ka say okay well, we bi oba be di MPP enim no. Also oba regime you no be sign performance contract. Ana mo dey mfise hu hia.
Menua performance contract adi is nothing new. It has always been around as part of political parties' preparation towards elections. And profiling. All these things are, getting your indicators right. Performance contract to check the indicators. Say we echo year, we enko year na. This year, baby, the performance contract of the NPP government with the good people of Ghana. A plus. The performance contract of my Volta regional minister with the good people of the region, A plus. And Rabesha made a parade. It was fun-filled.
I see.
Workers were happy. Civil servants are happy. Within these few years, the mess that His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo has inherited, and the good people of the Volta region are feeling the impact that truly there is change. Our sisters who were in the house, who completed nurses training, yes, are now being appointed.
Okay.
Just Friday, Ghana Health Services are issues phase 2. Apply for recruitment. They have the opportunity to do so now. Umpewe up again. Teachers. Volta region were about 90 senior high schools. Share teacher do close to 30,000 across the country. Volta region is a beneficiary. mmeranteɛ bebree a minimum nyinaa. So they are earning decent living. Their salaries have started coming after working for just 2 months. Almost salary assess here. Yeah, who were MDC address no ebi mu yɛ adwuma 3 years almost salary mbae.
All right, Enoch, you better say in common here. Why?
And Dominion. So Eastern Corridor Road 90% complete. Kesi John Dramani Mahama. Munhwe de bia on social media. Next week Omampenyi Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo aka Showboy Orlando Volta Region Framantem Era Otia Mobati Eastern Corridor ho adwuma na yabade ye mba betena se atwen say 2 days 2 weeks to election na ya current equipment abebu kwan so say ye kwan e wo Volta Region no.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, for pa.
Medas Enoch, Medas Papa. Enoch, Amekleto, regional communication director for the New Patriotic Party in the Volta region. Pay 100.9. Ghana won't use you know as you go and